Good morning. Ako nga pala si Marvin Baldomero. Magpipresento sa inyo ng MMM ideology. Ano ba ang MMM or Marbury Model Movement? MMM is a global community of financial aid and donation exchange. Millions of people from different countries have already registered in our community. We donate money when we can do it, and we get money when we need it. MMM is not a company, and it does not have the account where participants have to transfer money to. MMM is a social network that connects the one who want to donate money and the one who want to get money. Participants transfer money directly to each other. MMM gives you a technical basic training which help millions of participants worldwide to find those who need help and those who are ready to provide help for free. All transfer funds to another participants are your help giving by your own goodwill to another one. If you are completely confident and certain in your actions and make your mind to participate, we kindly ask you to study carefully all warnings and instructions first. In cases of any matter regarding the topic, our online consultants are ready to help and answer all your questions. MMM openly declare that all the money is redistributed between members and it is not invested in any business, project, or securities. Relations between participants of MMM are built on not contracts and obligations, but on trust and mutual respect. This allows the community to adapt quickly to changing external and internal conditions. MMM is a global community of financial agent donation exchange. MMM is a social network that connects the one who wants to donate money with the one who want to get help. Participants transfer money directly to each other. Peer-to-peer system, no central account. MMM is a self-managed community by participants. The registration is free. MMM is voluntary and responsible online news community. Sergey Mabrodi is a founder of the MMM Social Financial Community. MMM is sure to be his life work, but not the only one. Sergey Mabrodi, having a degree in mathematics, worked as a programmer and took part in the development of the first operating system. The company he founded was one of leading computer equipment distributor in Russia. He was a deputy of the Russia parliament. He literally work were published and there are sold in bookstore. Two of his screenplays were made into movies. His poems were turned into songs. Information about MMM. MMM is a global and widespread thanks to Bitcoin technology and Internet. 138 million members in 107 countries. In 4 years of activities and more than $14 billion assistance provided worldwide. MMM, the fastest growing community of people in the world. MMM is 100% legal in the whole world. The goal of MMM: help all the people in the world, spread the money among people so that they gain financial freedom, create a new free financial relationship among people. How does it work? MMM is a community of people providing each other financial help on the principle of gratuitousness, reciprocity, and benevolence. In MMM, you don't have to make contract or pledge your property. In MMM, there are no lenders and no debt store. Everything is very simple. One participant asks for help, another one helps. The only thing that MMM demands from each participant is to be honest and kind to each other. You ask for financial help when you need it. You give financial help when you are able to do it. MMM advantage: plus 30% members reward per month for your provide help, plus 10% members development bonus for help made by people you invited to MMM. Sample: your friend, relatives, acquaintances, etc. Plus $20, $50, $100 members bonuses for first help, plus 5% marbles for your video of happiness after get help, plus a lot of bonuses from MMM Manager School. Development bonus, 10% marbles bonus. You get 10% marbles for all provide help of the participant you invited. Inviting new participant in the community is your additional contribution to its development. But nobody forced the member of community to invite new participants. But at the same time, understand that the MM community can exist without development and participants' encouragement in the form of referral bonuses to motivate many people to take an active position. MMM Guiders Schooling: Manager of the MMM community can create their structures and get a bonus from each of the donation of every participant in their structures. A manager can have his own leader who rank is higher. Manager bonus depend on his level in the community. Get your manager certificate to be entitled to many opportunities and benefits in MMM. Create your own offline event and charity event to receive budget from the MMM community. Once again, this is Marvin Baldemero. Together, we change the world. Long live MMM.